7 Surprising Laundry Stain Removers. Shaving cream is essentially a can of ready-to-use whipped soap. The basic varieties, no gels or added moisturizers and colors, are best for use on stains. The sooner you can treat a stain and keep it from spreading, the better. When a spill occurs, especially a greasy one, grab a slice of bread. Blot the stain with the bread, which will act like a sponge to absorb the stain. This will prevent it from getting bigger and moving deeper into the fabric fibers. When an oily stain happens on white or colored fabric, rub the stained area with a piece of white chalk. Allow the chalk to absorb the oil for at least 5 minutes, and then brush it off. Repeat this process until the oil is gone or at least less visible. You can also use baby powder or cornstarch in the same way. When ink stains your favorite jeans, grab a bottle of vodka. Simply saturate a clean white cloth or a cotton swab with vodka. Then, working from the outside edge of the stain toward the center, blot away the ink. Keep moving to a clean area of the cloth or a clean swab until all of the ink is gone. Finish by blotting the area with a cloth dipped in plain water. WD-40 is a petroleum-based lubricant that can cause stains on clothes. But it also can help to remove stains. The solvents in WD-40 help to break down oil, especially old oily stains, loosening the oil molecules from fabric fibers. Simply spray the stain with a bit of WD-40 from the front and back of the fabric. Allow it to work for about 5 minutes. Then, treat the stain with a commercial stain remover or a heavy-duty detergent, and wash in the hottest water recommended for the fabric. Permanent markers are another product that can both cause stains and help to solve staining issues. If you splash chlorine bleach on fabric by accident, you might be able to save it by filling in the bleached areas with a permanent marker. Permanent markers also can cover scuffs on shoes and handbags. Cream of tartar, potassium bitartrate, is used in baking to help food maintain its texture and stability. It's a mild acid that also works well to remove stains, such as berries and red wine, from white fabrics. However, don't use it on colored fabrics without first testing it on an inside seam to make sure the fabric is colorfast. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.